So I'll be showing you how to install or how to insert an SD card in your Galaxy Tab S10 or S10 Ultra. So this is very simple. All you need to do is find the SIM tray. Now the SIM tray is at the top part when you're holding the tablet like this. On the side with the front facing cameras, at the top there is going to be your SIM tray. That SIM tray also holds the SD card. So use any SIM ejector tool to pop out the SIM tray. So just put it inside that hole like that and then push it towards the phone, and that's going to pop out the SIM tray. And then now you can pull it out with the tips of your fingers, just like that. Now as you can see, I already have a physical SIM card in there. So this particular SIM tray for this tablet accepts a physical SIM card on one side, and on the other side it lets you insert an SD card, a micro SD card. So you can see it clearly says there micro SD card. And so what you need to do now is insert the SD card with the contacts facing outwards like this. Okay, so just insert the micro SD card like that. Make sure it goes into that placement and it's completely flush with the SIM tray. You can see nothing is popping out. The SIM card is not popping out and the SD card is not popping out. So now you can put the SIM tray back into the tablet. Sorry, has to be like this. The SD card faces downwards like this, and then now you slide it in just like that, and just wait for confirmation that the SD card has been detected. And you can tell if you swipe down, you should see that SD card inserted. You can see that notification right there. That tells you the SD card has been detected, and also the SIM card. Another way to confirm is just to go to the Files app. So here's the app. Just open up the Files app, and on the left hand side, just below internal storage, you will see SD card. And from here, you can open up the SD card. You can see the files and folders inside your SD card, just like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, talk to us in the comment section. Good luck.